Natural remedies for hair growth and hair loss. Hair is considered as a crowning glory for both men and women. It is a symbol of beauty and self-confidence. However, hair loss is a common problem that affects both men and women of all ages. The good news is that there are natural remedies that can help promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. In this video, we will discuss the most effective natural remedies for hair growth and hair loss. 1. Onion juice. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which helps in promoting hair growth. It also contains antioxidants that help in reversing the damage caused by free radicals. To use onion juice for hair growth, extract the juice from an onion and apply it to your scalp for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural remedy that helps in promoting hair growth. It contains enzymes that help in removing dead skin cells from the scalp and promote hair growth. To use aloe vera for hair growth, apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse it off with a mild shampoo. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural remedy that helps in preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. It contains fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft and reduce protein loss. To use coconut oil for hair growth, massage warm coconut oil into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for an hour or overnight and wash it off with a mild shampoo. 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that help in promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. To use green tea for hair growth, brew a cup of green tea and let it cool down. Apply it to your scalp and hair and leave it on for an hour. Rinse it off with cold water. 5. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a natural remedy that helps in promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. It contains antioxidants that help in reversing the damage caused by free radicals. To use rosemary oil for hair growth, mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Massage it into your scalp and hair and leave it on for a few hours. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. 6. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a plant that is native to North America, and it has been used for centuries to treat various health problems, including hair loss. Saw palmetto works by blocking the production of DHT, which is a hormone that is responsible for hair loss. You can find saw palmetto supplement at any health food store. Here are some tips. 1. Eat a balanced diet that is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Avoid using harsh chemicals and heat styling tools on your hair. 3. Massage your scalp regularly to improve blood circulation and promote hair growth. 4. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on your hair. 5. Use a wide-toothed comb to detangle your hair. 6. Protect your hair from the sun and harsh weather by wearing a hat or scarf. 7. Get enough sleep and reduce stress levels as they can affect hair growth. While these natural remedies may help slow down male pattern baldness, they cannot completely reverse it. It is also important to note that the effectiveness of these remedies may vary from person to person. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment for hair loss. We hope you found these natural remedies helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching.